Hey guys, welcome back. Before I start today's video, I want to show you one of my favorite subway murals here in New York. It looks like it's supposed to be sort of like from the 1940s, maybe 1950s, like just after World War II. It's right here at 36th Street Station, but you kind of get a sense of what riding the subways a few decades prior would have been like, and I think that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's get going. Trying to stay dry, it just started raining. As we know, Brooklyn has been on the up and up for a while now, and there's still a lot of really untapped areas. And one of those areas that currently is under redevelopment, actually they're spending about $1 billion to redevelop it, is right here in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. It's called Industry City. It's got a ton of awesome food spots. It reminds me a lot of Chelsea Market, but it's also got a lot of businesses that are starting to come to the area. So let's check out Industry City. So this 32-acre space, which is divided into 16 different buildings, is a combination of both retail and commercial shops. They're not just renovating the insides. As you can see behind me, they're developing the outdoor courtyards as well, and really making it look nice. It's being led by Jamestown Properties. They actually redeveloped the Chelsea Market, which now looks great. And the idea behind this complex was not only to just bring in food or just bring in factories, but to have, a collaborative space where people in different industries can collaborate with one another. You have artists, you have people selling food, you have people selling furniture, tech companies. It's really a mishmash of a lot of different industries. But my favorite section has got to be the food hall, and I'm hungry, so let's go. No matter what type of food you're in the mood for, you'll find it here. Are you feeling ramen? Head over to the Japan Village, where they not only have a bunch of little restaurants, but they have their own specialty supermarket right in the Japan Village. Some pizza? Stop by Table 32, where they have this charcoal grill. It gives it this really delicious taste. I was craving some tacos, so I stopped by the Taco Mex grill, and I got a delicious taco. You can see it here. It's got guacamole, it's got cheese, it's on a corn tortilla, it's got beef in it, some sour cream, some hot sauce. I'm ready to chow down. It's as good as it looks. Oh my God. And if you want to learn how to cook yourself, you can stop by the Brooklyn Kitchen, where they offer all sorts of cooking classes. You can take one with your significant other, you can take a big group class, or you can even have a birthday party there, which is pretty cool.
That sounds really good. Are you eating without me?
Yeah, you were kind of late. Hey guys, this is my girlfriend Kathy.
Hey,
you'll probably recognize her from a ton of my videos. We're always taking adventures together.
Yeah, I just came back from a voice lesson and Robbie's eating tacos without me.
Well, when you get hungry, you get hungry.
Okay, I need to try this. This is like next level awesome. It's so good. I'm gonna finish our taco.
Babe, come here. Look at this freight elevator. So babe, what'd you get?
The salmon burger.
Ooh. Oh, I actually really like that.
You like it?
Yeah, I think the salmon is cooked really good.
Our sandwich is here. It's huge. Their whole thing at Ends Meat, get it, is that everything is super fresh, all the meats. They have like cured meats just hanging up with priced by a pound, and this is a bacon and pate sandwich.
So what is pate exactly?
They said that it's a very fine pork liver, but we're gonna try it ourselves. I'm kind of scared. It's good. That was a freaking flavor journey. I bit into it. The bread is crispy. The bacon's like really thick. It kind of tasted at first like a banh mi from a Vietnamese restaurant. There's kimchi in here, which might account for that, with fresh cilantro too. When you actually get to the pate, if you've ever had like chicken liver or any kind of like animal liver, you would know that very distinct creamy texture and like distinct taste of it. Okay, so Robbie, have you ever had liver before?
I don't think I've ever had liver before, so this is gonna be a first for me. I don't think I've ever had anything really quite like it.
It's a little bitter,
Yeah,
but also creamy.
I guess almost like a little bit like it's got like creaminess of like an artichoke, but it's got like the bitterness of like
Some kind of a root vegetable.
exactly.
It's very earthy.
So if you do come to N's Meat, my favorite sandwich there is actually the Rubenish. I got that a couple of days ago and it was awesome. Oh man, we had a ton of food, but there is more to do here than just chow down. Right across the street they have a roller rink and you can go for all sorts of different themed nights. They have like 70s nights, 80s nights, stuff like that. And you can even take hula hoop classes. There's also a bunch of really cool places that you can eat. They have this tent set up behind me, just like a little outdoor venue that you can, you know, come and snack down once you grab a bite to eat here. And in the summer, they have a bunch of stuff going on. They have tons of free concerts you can check out. So there's a lot going on here. Right now, we're gonna head over and check out an Escher art gallery they have set up. There's just so much going on here. They have a chocolate shop that makes all their own chocolate in-house. You can actually see it going down the assembly line, which is really cool. They have a vintage clothing shop. They have a shop where you can make a custom-made hat. They'll tailor fit it to you. You can pick the material. They have a spirited wine shop. They have a game room, so if you want to have a birthday party for your kid, there's a spot you can go right here. It's actually associated with the Frying Pan, which also has a Manhattan location, and it's one of the best places to grab a lobster roll here in New York. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out Industry City here in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. But that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Plus you can click the bell to stay up to date on all my new videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Bobby Frank. Safe travels, and I'll catch you next time.